A quick and simple project that can help keep your home looking great is cleaning your ceiling fan. Fans gather dust like crazy, so it's a good idea to clean them off regularly. The best tool for the job is one of these guys, an extendable ceiling fan duster. Just slide it onto the fan blade, move it back and forth, and you're done. Otherwise, you can try a pillowcase. Slide the case onto the blade and wipe back off, and the dust is caught inside of the pillowcase instead of all over the room. Shake out the case and wash thoroughly, and you're ready to use it again. If your fan is extra dirty, try a wet cloth or paper towel with an all-purpose cleaner to get it looking good as new. Apply some dust-repelling spray to give yourself more time between cleans. You can also use some compressed air to clean out the motor housing and wipe it down with a wet cloth. Your fan should rotate in the correct direction for the season, so check this switch while you're there. Clockwise motion warms the room, while counterclockwise motion cools the room. When the seasons change that switch to make sure you're getting the most out of your fan. Before you finish, check your light bulbs and replace any dead ones. It's also a good time to wash or wipe down the bulb shades to get the most light from your fan.